Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another day of a Vlogmas, where we're uploading a brand new video every single day on the lead up to Christmas. Today we have our first day of W7 weekend, which basically means today, Saturday and Sunday is going to be W7 exclusive videos. So we're going to be starting off by going through the W7 Christmas cracker gift set, which looks amazing. Tomorrow we're going to go through the honeybee, the beautiful gift set, and then on Sunday we're going to be testing it all out. So we have the cracker, the bee one, we have a little gingerbread one, and we also have a little lip one as well. So on Sunday we're going to put all of these gift sets to the test and do a full face of W7 and see what it's all like, see if it's worth your moolah as well. But first we're going to go through what is inside the cracker gift set. I got this in B&M for £8, which is absolutely amazing because you get a full-size eyeshadow palette in it, you get a mascara, you get an eyeliner, a lip liner, and you also get a lipstick. On W7's website, it retails for £14.95, so you get an absolute bargain from B&M. So let's just get into it and see what's inside it. If you are wondering what little lipstick combination I've got on, by the way, I've got on the same as obviously yesterday's video. This is the MAC Cork lip liner and the Soft and Revolution Fudge lipstick. I just thought I'd change it up for once and not use one of my Doll Beauty lip liners. So let's just get into this cracker. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to open this so bad. Okay, so let's start with the most exciting bit, which obviously is the eyeshadow palette. Let's be serious. So this is just what she looks like. It says pretty please, and it says it's ripe and ready. It's a pressed pigment palette. Ooh, she looks nice. I really actually like these tinned palettes that W7 do. This is what she looks like. Obviously this is meant to be inspired / a dupe of the Urban Decay cherry palette. I don't actually think I have the cherry one. Let me just check. I actually do have it. God, I'm so silly. So yeah, it's meant to be inspired by this. I never forgot that I actually have this. That's so bad, isn't it? So let's do a little comparison side by side, and please let me know if you want me to do like a full testing video to see. Oh my God, it actually looks exactly the same. Like exactly the same. And you'll know from my previous videos that I absolutely love the W7 one that is like basically a dupe of the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. Look at that, like they literally look exactly the same. And I actually prefer my W7 one over my Urban Decay one. So that's a little juicy bit of information for you. So yeah, do let me know if you want to do a video testing these two and doing like a kind of high-end versus drugstore dupe. Let me know. I forgot I had that. I'm buzzing that I can do a little video for you now. So yeah, that is obviously the eyeshadow palette that comes with it, the pressed pigment palette. You also get a mascara. This is the Ultra Plush Everything Mascara. Love the packaging. Ooh. Okay, I was expecting like a really big fat fibre kind of brush, but that brush looks really, really nice. This is just what she looks like. I really want to try, and I was talking to, oh my God, who was it on my Patreons? Megan. I was talking to Megan in our Patreon group chat. If you're wondering what that is, by the way, I'll leave it linked down below for you to go check out like what my Patreon is and how to get involved and all that kind of good stuff, and a link to it as well. But I was talking to Megan in our Patreon group, and Megan was saying about obviously them having like a W7 They're Real like benefit mascara kind of dupe, which I've seen and I've wanted to try for years and just never really got around to doing it. So let me know if you want me to do like a full video testing like W7 dupes versus like the high-end product, because if I have the high-end product, I'll definitely do that for you as well. So I could definitely do obviously this one and this one, and I could definitely do the W7 dupe for like Benefits They're Real as well. But that brush looks, oh, I dropped it. That brush looks really, really good. And I think it'd be really good to kind of separate the lashes as well. For some reason my autofocus keeps turning itself off. So I'm sorry if some of my videos haven't been like crisp as normal. It's really annoying me when I'm editing it. But anyways, we also have a eyeliner. So this is the King Cole eyeliner. It just says blackest black. Ooh, it's like a sharpener one. I didn't think it was going to be a sharpener one. I actually prefer these. So this is just what she looks like. Let's see what she's like. Oh, that is pitch black. That is so dark. W7 are like killing it at the moment. They also have like a dupe of the Too Faced new palette that they brought out. Well, newish palette. So I definitely want to get that to try as well. But if you do have like any certain W7 ones that you want me to try and compare to like the high-end ones, or even just to try in a video, please leave them down below and I'll add them to my order when I do order from them. Then we have the lip liner and the lipstick. So this is the Lip Twister lip liner in Malbec. And this is a little twisty up one. So it saves you having to sharpen it. Ooh. And obviously it goes with kind of like the cherry theme as well. That is just what she looks like. And then obviously we have the lipstick too. I think this is amazing because you're basically getting like, not a full face of makeup, because obviously you can't have like foundations and stuff in these, but you're getting like all of your other stuff done. I'm actually, what the hell? It's like metallic. This is the Lippy Chick Ultra Cream Lipstick in Back Chat. But oh my god, have you seen how she looks? I'm really hoping that, yeah, it's coming up. What the hell's going on? Okay. Is she meant to be like that? Should we swatch her? Okay, I think she's meant to be like that. She smells alright. I was just thinking, is it mouldy? Is it something? But I don't think it is. But she is really, really creamy. I think it gets such a cute look out of all of this, having like your mascara, your eyeliner, your lip liner, your lipstick, having like a really nice cherry pop to the lip, but then also having obviously it on your eyes as well. For Sunday's video, when I'm testing all the gift sets, I might test the B eyeshadow palette that's in that gift set instead, and then save this for a comparison video. I might do a video just on these two. What do you think? Let me know. Because I'm here for you, baby. So yeah, that is everything that you get in that gift set for £8 to get a full eyeshadow palette. Like, it has, what, 12 eyeshadows in it. I was going to count them one by one, and then I saw it said 12 eyeshadow palette, eyeshadow. I need to stop being so excited for my videos because my words don't come out. They're just like, I have been making a little bloopers video for you as well whilst I've been editing my videos the past couple of weeks. So once that's got up to like a decent size, I will put a little bloopers video out as well. Hopefully it'll be big enough to do like just after Christmas, but we'll see. But yeah, I think for £8 look again. For £8 you are getting the 12 eyeshadow palette. I was going to bugger it up again then. You're getting obviously the lip liner, the eyeliner, the lipstick, and also the mascara, which I dropped on the floor. I think for £8 that is absolutely amazing, because if you went into like Boots or Superdrug, a mascara itself could cost you £8. A mascara could cost you a £5, and then you're left with £3. And yeah, I think this is absolutely amazing. I think even if you bought it for the $14.95 price that it is on the W7 website, I still do think it is a really, really good deal. But get yourself to B&M if you can, and if you can do it safely. Get yourself to B&M, save yourself some money. I think it's amazing for a little present for kids as well, or if somebody's new to makeup, or somebody just absolutely loves makeup. If somebody absolutely loves makeup, then they might like this as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go because I'm clearly just messing all of my words up. I'm going to film another video and go for a facial. I love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for another day of W7. Thank you so much for my patrons on the next page, and please stay tuned to the end for another video for you to watch, and also a link to my giveaway as well. Love you so much. Goodbye, guys.